Hello, my name's Laurel Papworth and I teach artificial intelligence at the Australian Institute of Management. I also have some public workshops like a 2-day marketing and AI and a 1-day social media and AI workshop. And I thought what we might do in this one is sign up for CoPilot, Microsoft CoPilot, as a single license. Up until recently, you had to have 300 licenses, 300 staff. It was around $9,000 a month. This time, 1 staff, 1 CoPilot. 2 payments. You must buy Microsoft 365 and then do the CoPilot as an add-on. I'll show you both steps. And that way, your small business, you can add a couple of people, just yourself. Maybe you're a solopreneur who wants to use CoPilot. You don't have to use CoPilot. ChatGPT Plus and ChatGPT Teams might be enough for you, but at least CoPilot gives you the integration into business systems without having to go through the API. So, quick and easy video, let's get started. If you go to Microsoft 365 and you're on the enterprise link, and I'll put the link below, this is not the one I'm talking about. I'm talking about a small business, a solopreneur, a solo operator who wants to have CoPilot for just themselves or just a couple of staff. So instead of being on the Microsoft 365 Enterprise page, which is the one you had to be on before, now you want to go to Microsoft 365 and it has business in the URL, not enterprise. You have to choose this one or this one. You can't have the basic. If you're on business basic, CoPilot won't work. And you're going to have to make 2 payments. One is for Microsoft 365 Business, either standard or premium, and the other one is for CoPilot. So go in and purchase this. I need to warn you, it's Microsoft, right? So they need a separate, use one email address, but then have a separate password for Skype and have another one for whatever other services you're using. I mean, Microsoft owns LinkedIn, Microsoft owns ChatGPT, sort of. Anyway, once you've done that and you've got an email confirming it and you all go, you'll be given a dashboard that looks something like this. This is the admin dashboard for your 365, Microsoft 365. Now you have to go to the Microsoft CoPilot page. I clicked on pricing at the top and it says Microsoft Copilot's available for $44.90 a month on top of the other one. Look, at this point, I just want to say if you're happy with ChatGPT and you're happy paying $33 a month for ChatGPT Plus, or the few extra bucks on top of that for Teams, I think you have to have 2 people for Teams, you may not want to use this. I'm using it because I want the integration with Microsoft 365. If you don't buy it. Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365. It says sign in to add Copilot to your existing 365 plan, and then it offers you the pricing page. It says enterprise customers and business customers. So I mentioned the business customers must be standard or business premium. Because I'm already logged in, now I'm signed up, which is fantastic. To be clear, Microsoft Copilot for Business means you can have a single Microsoft 365 account with a single Copilot account and just pay for that one license. You're a small business, solopreneur, maybe I think students will just use ChatGPT Plus or something, but maybe you want that integration into Microsoft. So that's how you do it. I hope you found that useful, interesting, educational. I don't know. I have more videos coming out on how I use CoPilot in my business, as well as other AI bits and bobs. So if that's what you're interested in, hopefully I'll see you in the next video. If not, maybe in one of my courses. Thank you and have a fantastic day. Boop.